Isaiah foretold a time that, behold, the Messiah was going to come. And he did it. And it changed the world. It changed what we understand about education. It changed what we understand about finance. It changed what we understand about relationships. It changed what we understand about business. It changed what we understand about government. It changed what we understand about everything. That coming of the Lord changed everything forever. H.G. Wells, the great author and historian, said, "I am not a believer. But as a historian, I must say without reservation that there's no figure in history that has so changed the world other than Jesus Christ." My brothers and my sisters, for those of you who have forsaken all to follow Jesus, let me reassure you, you have nothing to worry about, and that your best days are ahead. Forget about tomorrow. You can't do nothing to change it. Forgive yourself for the failures of yesterday and walk in the anointing of today, because God is with you.